Hi, it's Mike back again. Now we're going to take a look at or listen to stereo separation. So what I chose that would work pretty well for this is the song Money by Pink Floyd. So what I'm doing, I've got the iPad mini here, holding it not so steady, so that the right channel, which will be on this side, I've got it upside down, so it'll be on the top of that, will be aligned with the microphone on top of the iPad. So let's take a listen. Now, I'm not sure how it sounded over the microphone, whether or not you could actually hear the stereo separation at all. I know I could barely discern it here, but it really was not an easy thing to do. So what I'm going to do now is grab the Kindle Fire HD, and I've got same song. Now this one I again have upside down for the exact same reason. So that over here would be the right side. And again, I've got the volume all the way up, and I think you'll probably have a hard time believing that it is the same volume level. There we go, a little focus. Now, just dropping the volume and leave this playing in the background as I talk. First off, the volume difference, I would have to say, is a factor of 3 to 5, if not an order of magnitude between the two. I could actually feel the stereo separation in my hand as it went from one side to the other, as the sound walked back and forth. The audio quality out of the Kindle Fire, again, is just so much head and shoulders above the iPad mini, the Nexus, or any other tablet that I've ever touched. And that really has not changed. So it really gets down to if this sort of stereo separation, if you're going to be watching a movie and really want to hear this sort of thing, and hear it from the speakers on the device, the Kindle Fire is unmatched. Of course, if you're going to plug it into your earphones, then it really doesn't matter what the speakers sound like. But again, that's really stereo separation between the two. iPad mini now has stereo, but it's not anywhere near the order of what the Kindle Fire HD has to offer.